if this is what you want. Can you make a promise? Yeah. So in love, I can see it in your eyes. How you chop it up, about me to your guys. I hate you, bad for you to say for hope in return you can say for that. Great in ways that's beyond my mind. And baby, if we do it right, then it can be so good.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. It is your favorite lash tech here, Yamii. Today we're going to be doing a day in my life, a realistic day in my life as a lash tech. We have work today. It's early, but not too early. Our first client today is not till 11 o'clock. Right now it's 10:13. I think I should be on my way right now. But yeah, we're about to be on our way. And then later on today, you'll see. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys like lash tech vlogs like this. And then yeah, so yeah, let's get to work and I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay, so I just got to work. My bag is like literally full of stuff. As you seen yesterday, I made some lash shampoos. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just set everything up. I also bought some trays from home. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up a little bit in here and then set everything up, set my bag up and stuff, and then get ready for work. Like I said, my client does come in at 11 o'clock today. Right now it's 10:40, so I have 20 minutes to get this place together. I'm also recording for Instagram and TikTok, so it's a busy recording day. So yeah, if you see my phone on a tripod, I'm recording for Instagram and TikTok. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. So yeah, let me go ahead and start setting up and stuff. So I just finished my first client. This client doesn't come until like, I think an hour and 30 minutes. My Apple Watch is dead. Hold on, is dead, y'all, so I can't even tell the time. But I think I have like about 30 minutes until my next client gets here. I'm actually gonna clean. I wasn't able to clean because she got here really early. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just fix the blankets and just reset my card to sweep a little bit because there is a few lashes on the floor, and then we're good to go. So yeah, like I said, we're just waiting for my next clients. Look at my outfit today, you guys. It's so cute. I really need to get a full body mirror like how I had it in my suite in New York. So I can really show you guys my outfit. Okay, everything looks much cleaner. Just need to organize my cart. So I just finished my last client. It's 3:00, I think 3:03 or 3:05. I don't know. My head's in the way. But I'm about to go get something to eat. I have a hair appointment at 5, so I'm about to go head to that right now. I'm about to just finish cleaning up and everything, and we're gonna head to our hair appointment. I cannot wait to get my hair done, you guys. I love a hair appointment. I want to be a hair appointment. But yeah, I will see you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna eat some Cava or McDonald's. I'll probably eat some McDonald's, we'll see. But yeah, let me finish cleaning up. So I decided to get Cava. We're at Cava right now because Cava was only like 5 minutes away. Let me know if you guys ever tried Cava before, because I tried it and I've been obsessed. It's so much better than Chipotle. It's just tea. So let me know if you guys tried Cava before. I'm gonna try to put my order on the screen, so just in case you never had Cava before, you guys know what to get. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get that real quick. I am filming a day in my life, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this because I'm not bringing my camera inside. So I think I'm just gonna record on my phone, but I'm gonna record like this. Or maybe, I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out. It's so hard to do two things at once, or film 2 things at once. Hi, can I get a bowl? Can I get baby spinach and then brown rice and harissa? Can I get chicken? Yeah. Can I get corn? The crispy tortillas. Can I get the tomato and the cucumber? So I just got my Cava. I usually get their what is it? The cucumber lemonade water or juice, but I have water today. I'm just gonna drink the rest of my water. I'm not gonna do too much, so we're just gonna end up drinking that. I was able to record a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my screen if you guys wanted to know what I get from Cava. Got my fork. I'm so hungry. I gotta make sure I eat. So this is my food. I think I want to take a picture. Hold on. I want to take a picture for the gram. I need my nails done so bad, you guys. I was supposed to get my nails done yesterday. I mean, they're not that bad, just a little teensy wincy grown out. But I was supposed to get my nails done yesterday, but I ended up having to find a whole new nail tech. So that's that on that. So I think I don't get my nails done until I don't know, sometime next week. I don't get my nails done. But I'm really liking this burgundy color. I did this for Thanksgiving. Was it Thanksgiving? I think I did. I think I got my nails, but yeah, my nails don't grow that fast. I got this color for Thanksgiving, and it's so pretty. So I was thinking about like maybe doing another color for Christmas. I mean, maybe doing another color for New Year's. But I don't know, yeah, maybe I should go back to French tip. So good. And one thing about Cava too, their portion size is way better than Chipotle. Like, they will literally give you 2 scoops of rice. Chipotle only giving you a half a scoop of rice, and that's crazy. And I also think Cava is cheaper. This bowl was $11. Yep. Y'all need to let go of Chipotle.
You don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest of the lowest. Crazy, you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, you stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need no trick, all that don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving soft, it's calling on my favorite hoe. You know how to reach me every time, and it plays in my rise up at night, we committed a crime. Way over long, I'm gonna save your spot. Can't be outside cause I'm not against the plan.
just got my hair done, you guys. This is it. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do straights.
You might have to do it again, sorry.
It's okay. I don't know if I was gonna have my hair stay straight or do curly, but you know, I'm like, let me switch it up. Let me do little curls for the new year. So that's what we did. I think it looks really nice. My boyfriend's hating on me right now, so don't mind him staying breathing on our necks, you guys. Anyways, remember when I told you guys that I am doing a day in my life? So yeah, we're about to get away from you.
I'm about to get away from you.
You just on the side. So remember when I told you that I was filming a day in my life for my Instagram? So we're about to go ahead and edit that on my phone, and I figured I should show you guys how I do that. So first I edit all my Instagram videos and my TikTok videos on CapCut. This is what I use. It's called CapCut. This video is not sponsored, but I just wanted to show you guys because you guys can use it too. So let's do it this way. So yeah, like I said, this is the app that I use. Let me dim it down a little bit so you guys can see. And then you're just gonna go ahead and press new project, and I'm just gonna go ahead and upload all the videos that I filmed today, starting with this one. And then sometimes I would find the sound first and then edit with like the beat of the sound. Or if I'm doing like days in a life, I'll just go ahead and edit it through there. And then we're gonna press add, and it's gonna go ahead and load. Okay, so I just ended up cropping off some of the few videos that was unnecessary. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead now and just basically crop off, I would say like a few seconds. Like, you get the point. Like, you see me walking, I'll probably like start it from here, press split, delete this, and then just have a little few of like me walking. Like, I don't make my clips be that long. I'll just make it like a little here and there, crop that part, and then just play it back and see if I like it. And crop that. Me walking into work. Actually, I think I'm going to actually start the video that way. So let me go ahead and finish editing this video, and then I'll show you guys how it is once I'm done.
I don't really like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business come me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. The basement's on the way, please don't play.
Okay, so I'm done editing my video. We have 44 seconds of this. This is definitely going to be a talk through, like, day in my life vlog that I'm going to post on Instagram. I'm also going to post it on TikTok as well. I feel like if you're posting, you should definitely be posting on both platforms. That's really going to put you out there because someone can find you on TikTok and someone can also find you on Instagram. I'm going to definitely do like a talk through because it's 44 minutes long, and if the video is that long, nobody wants to hear music played that long. So I'm definitely going to do a little talk through voiceover type of video. So yeah, this is what we have finished. Since we're done editing, I just gotta do the voiceover. Look here.
Literally, it was uncalled for.
Can I get crazy feta?
Oh wow.
Yeah, that is it. So that's pretty much what I do. I really try to be consistent on all my platforms like Instagram and TikTok. That's why I literally been MIA, because since December I have been posting every single day, and I realize now that I need to be posting every single day on Instagram and TikTok, of course, but also on YouTube. Like, not every single day, but like I honestly need to stop putting you guys on the back burner. So I have so many ideas that I want to do for my YouTube videos. So like, I was literally thinking, I created a whole list. So yeah, I promise you guys I am not going to be inconsistent anymore. Like, now I know what kind of videos I want to post. I want to deep dive more into my lash tech videos and just sharing you guys more information on like bettering your business and growing your business, as well as also showing you guys my life, my day-to-day life, my personal life outside of work sometimes, not all the time. That's what I want to start leaning towards with my channel. So yeah, like I said, if you guys really like lash tech videos and you're inspired and you want to learn more and you want to grow your business and you just want to know more of my life, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Thank you once again for subscribing, for watching this video, for supporting me. You guys support me so much. Like, it's so crazy because I will see you guys, like, I would interact with you guys on Instagram and you guys would tell me you guys are from YouTube, and it's just like, wow, like, you guys care. So yeah, let me stop rambling because it's a lot. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.